Mainstream Aquaculture is a vertically integrated producer and supplier of barramundi. Through our hatchery business, we export juvenile fish from our breeding program to 21 countries, and we're very proud of the fact that 1 in 3 barramundi consumed globally, whether it be in Dubai or New York or Singapore, start with us.
We draw water from about 300 metres below the ground, and that water is naturally warmed by the basement rock and the lava below. So we have a essentially unlimited supply of really good quality water. The water is amazing. It's over 1,500 years old. That's the starting point, and from there we put it into a tank system that allows us to grow a lot of fish on a very small footprint.
All of the broodstock on the farm are individually tagged and they're identified, and we have knowledge of their genetic background. This allows us to ensure that there's no inbreeding going on in any of our spawning tanks and assures a very high quality, consistent performing seed stock. So as a result of this, we get a very domesticated fish that's easy to grow out within facilities, has a tight growth curve, and makes production through a production plant easier, more efficient process.
We're really excited about the farming technology that we've developed here at Mainstream Aquaculture. We have a large-scale premium seafood production plant within 30 minutes of a major capital city. That has enormous potential. You're able to harvest high-quality seafood on a Friday morning and have that offering on the plate of a diner in a fine restaurant at Friday lunchtime. That sort of efficiency and the quality it brings is unparalleled in the agriculture space and in aquaculture more specifically. What that also gives us the opportunity to do is provide a solution globally. We see a future with this technology that we've developed to plant facilities in close proximity to key markets all over the world.
One of the real advantages of this type of aquaculture is that we can produce a lot of fish from a very small footprint and be very efficient with our water use. This plant, when it's finished, will produce about 1,200 tonnes of barramundi a year. It's a 3,500 square metre plant. So when you relate that to other metrics that we use in agriculture, that's the equivalent of about 3.5 million kilograms of fish per hectare, which is thousands of times more than most other agricultural businesses. So it's very efficient in producing protein from a very small footprint. It's also very efficient with its water use because the filtration is designed to continually renew that water and recycle it every day.
We are remarkably effective at converting finite natural resources into a finished product. We're actually more efficient at converting a unit of land or a unit of water or a unit of feed into a finished product or a kilogram of protein than any other primary production sector on the planet.
We're standing in front of what will be the world's largest barramundi production facility, and whilst we're very happy with where we are today, we really feel like we're at the very start of our journey. For us, we started building here nearly 15 years ago. We started planning and thinking about the business nearly 21 years ago. We're now in a position where we have technology that works, we have a great group of people, we have a great opportunity worldwide for white flesh fish, and we're excited about industrialising the supply of barramundi worldwide.
We're huge believers in the potential for barramundi to become the world's preeminent premium white flesh fish. As a planet, we consume over 10 million tonne a year of premium white flesh fish, 90% of which comes from capture fisheries that are either fully exploited or overexploited, and species that are not amenable to intensive farming. We think barramundi has potential to capture a big part of that opportunity set, and in the process, we're saving our oceans, one fish at a time.